Thank you. I'll do another very short one for you before I do this song. This one goes. My granddaughter said, "Grandpa, what are mountains made of?" And I said, "Mountains are made of molehills." My granddaughter said, "Grandpa, what are molehills made of?" And I said, "Molehills are made of the dreams of moles." My granddaughter said, "Grandpa, what are dreams made of?" And I said, "Dreams are made of wishes thrown at the moon." My granddaughter said, "Grandpa, what's the moon made of?" And I said, "The moon is a round white mountain." Actually, there's a postscript to that poem which goes, my granddaughter said, "Grandpa, why can't you ever give a straight answer to a straight question?"